Welcome back, guys. Here we are at the 1 month mark of our trim restores, coatings, and sealants longevity test. And of course, the pollinating is upon us. It is springtime here in Texas, and that means the rain is here too. So let's see if anything has been affected with this update. 30 days, 4 weeks. So as usual, we'll go ahead and foam everything down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then rinse and dry to inspect everything afterwards. So as always, the last 30 days weather, and of course this will also be the lifetime weather at this point, is on your screen here. And if you would like to support the channel, all you have to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any experience with these products. We have tested some of these before, but you guys wanted to see them tested again. If you do plan on purchasing any of these products, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it does really help the channel out so you can continue to see tests like these. So if you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of each of these videos, as there is a lot of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing of these. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are holding up. So between the 3 week and the 4 week mark, there's quite a few differences here. Look at this. No surprise that the ones that are more of a dressing, pretty much at the 1 month mark, are done. There's our control. You can see how light it is. Vonix looking very dark, black. Adams looking good. Carpro Pearl 1 to 3. That is going to be our first failure this month. Gyeon Q2 trim, and of course Can Coat, which is intended for paint. Both of those doing well, but trim specific definitely looks a little darker. McKee's SiO2, Koshimi Plastic Hair, and Malco Epic Revive. That's what we install in our shop. Lithium trim cubes looking very dark. New Finish Trim Doctor, still doing okay, but it's not quite as dark as the others. And of course there's our Sharpie Pro. I'm pretty surprised with that. Whoever suggested that, not bad, but I don't think I would do that to my bumper or my trim, because it's really hard to get a consistent finish. So Sonax Extreme Restore, that's going to be our next failure. Kiwi Shoe Dye. Detailer's Trick from the 80s, still working. And the Chinese plastic crystal parts plating, that had failed. Carpro Deluxe, Black Magic, still doing all right. Griot's Trim and Detail, that's the aerosol. That's the next one to fail. Cerakote, Rust-Oleum doing all right. Meguiar's Hyper Dressing and Hybrid Ceramic Trim, both of those we're going to call failed. That's surprising for the Hybrid Ceramic Trim, because a lot of you guys had asked for that. But Ultimate Black and Soft 99 Tire Wax, still looking all right. So we have 5 failures this month. 5 of them. Sonax, CarPro, Griot's Trim and Detail, and 2 of the Meguiar's products. Any surprises? I think the Hybrid Ceramic Trim, that would be the surprise to me. I've never used it before, but a lot of you guys had requested it, and we got a month out of it. Sitting outside 24/7, exposed to the elements, and quite a bit of rain. So there's your update, guys. Stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell icon so you get notifications, and we'll see you soon.